Welcome at Robin Radar. In these crazy times, let me take you on a virtual tour. Hi there, you made it. Well, welcome inside the Robin Radar office, the place where it all happens. The company was founded in 2010, but we have a longer history within TNO Defense and Security, where it started as a project already called Robin, which is an acronym for Radar Observation of Bird Intensity. For the Royal Netherlands Air Force, they started developing software algorithms to detect birds. Now, many of you may question how a small bird can actually take down such a powerful fighter jet. Well, let me show you on this side. So this is a piece of an engine of an F-5 fighter jet, and it was hit by a bird. Tiny parts of the blade were ripped off, and it results in a domino effect which shuts down the engine. And since many of those planes are single engine planes, they would take down the plane. Since 2010, Robin Radar is an independent company, and we started further developing these systems for civil aviation and also to detect drones, as you can see over here. So, welcome again, and let's take a further through to the office. Right. So let me take you to the first floor, where amongst others the service and maintenance department is located. In total we have about 2,000 square meters here, and the location is on a former airbase called Ypenburg. So here we are at the service and maintenance department. At the beginning of the company, we've come to learn that delivering a system for us may be the finish, but for our customers is actually the starting point. Service and maintenance is crucial to our customer satisfaction. One of the things that from a technology end we implement quite well is our ability to do remote monitoring. Behind me you can see a screen where we can monitor all of our radar systems in the world. We can approach them remotely, and if there is an issue, it's very likely that we'll know about it before our customer does. And when that's the case, we can do remote diagnostics at a component level, go really deep into the system, and in the rare case that we actually have to come over and fix something, we can come prepared. Radar basically shouts and listens to the echo. And that works fine as long as you want to look at big objects like ships or planes. But if you want to look at small airborne targets like drones or birds, that becomes quite difficult. You want to see these small tiny reflections in an ocean of clutter. So clutter filtering is the name of the game. And that's what happens here at the R&D department. I'll now take you to the second floor. But before I do so, I wanted you to meet our Gladstone gander. It's a statue that we unveiled for the fallen geese. It was actually at the start of the company. 2 weeks later, there was a serious bird strike at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport with multiple geese flying into the engine of the Royal Air Maroc. Nobody got hurt, but it was the immediate reason for Amsterdam Schiphol Airport to acquire 4 bird radars. So for us, that was a lucky and flying start. Let's move up and go to the coolest floor of the company. Hi, over here. Yeah, so this is where you can either relax or have lunch together, but I would like to show you the auditorium over there. So here's a pool table that we got for the personnel, very well done Vitor, when we installed our 50th radar. And under normal conditions, this is where the sales team is located and the project developers. But what I would like to show you is the auditorium, which is the central place in the building where we have presentations for the entire team. You're now in the auditorium. This is the place where we get together as a team. This is also the place where we as management present our plans to the team in a high degree of transparency. Where do we stand? Where do we want to go? And how do we get there? And it's also the place where we do social things and invite inspiring speakers to give lectures, for example. Now, before I'm going to let you go, let's go down to production and have a look there. So, you are now in production. Our systems are a combination of unique software with purpose-built hardware, radar systems specifically made to detect small targets. Our mission statement is to increase safety by providing actionable information. And that information should ensure your safety when flying home again.
Prepare for landing.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour through our office and look forward to see you in real life.